Hey again, welcome to your channel Maths Guide. Our today topic is about BODMAS. Most students get these questions wrong, not because they are hard, but because they don't follow the right order. In this video, we will master how to simplify expressions involving addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division using a clear step-by-step method that makes even the most complicated problems easy to solve. Actually, we use BODMAS to simplify any expression. So let's understand what is simplification. The order of operations in simplification is the set of rules that tells us the correct sequence to solve a mathematical expression so anyone can get the same answer. We follow this order. First we solve the brackets. Then we can solve any exponent if we are having. Then after that we use division, multiplication, addition and subtraction in a sequence. B in BODMAS stands for brackets. So let's first understand the order of brackets. First of all, we will solve this bracket which is known as round brackets or sometimes parentheses. After that we use these curly brackets and the other name is braces. And in last we use the square brackets in a sequence. You all know it's about exercise 1.6 of your PTCB Mathematics 7 and our topic is simplification. Now first of all we will simplify this simple expression. That is 70 plus square bracket 10 plus 20 minus 2 then curly bracket 8 minus 2 plus 3 and bracket closed. First of all we will solve the curly brackets as we all know that we use solve curly brackets before the square brackets. So in curly brackets we have 8 minus 2 plus 3. Remember the rule of addition and subtraction. Whenever we have addition and subtraction in any bracket, we just move from left to right. We will not follow the sequence of BODMAS that we have to solve the addition first then subtraction. No, when we have only addition and subtraction we move from left to right. So according to this we will solve this 8 minus 2 first, then we will add 3 on it. So our next step is 70 plus we will keep this unchanged and solve the curly bracket and we have 6. 8 minus 2 is 6 plus 3. Now again simplifying this expression again 6 plus 3 after when we have a single digit answer the brackets are automatically removed. So our answer is nice. Now we can remove this curly bracket and as we have no sign in between 2 and 9 it means there is a multiplication symbol between them. So we will multiply 2 by 9 and our next step will be 10 plus 20 minus 2 into 9 is 18. Now we have a square bracket and again we have addition and subtraction in between them. And now again we will move from left to right. We will add first then subtract. So our answer will be 10 plus 20 is 30 minus 18. Then we have 12 in the square bracket. As it is a single answer then we can remove this bracket in this step. Now we will add 70 and 12 and the final answer is 82. If you follow the sequence of brackets and the rules of solving the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division within the bracket, then there will be no chance of any mistake. Now next question of the same exercise. Now the question is 25 minus square bracket 5 plus curly bracket 28 minus then round bracket 16 divided by 4 plus 12. When we have division in any bracket, we will solve the division first according to BODMAS rule. First division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. So we will divide these two numbers first and then we will add 12 into the answer. So our next step will be 16 divided by 4 is 4 plus 12, keeping the next numbers unchanged. Now we solve this number within the round bracket first to remove this bracket and our answer is 16. Now we have removed this round bracket as we have the single answer now. But these two numbers 28 minus 16 are now in curly bracket. Now let's solve them. 28 minus 16 is 12. As we have a single answer again, now we will remove this curly bracket and now we have the square bracket, and within square bracket we have 5 plus 12. So we have 25 minus 17 and the final answer is 8. A very simple and easy question. We have 12 into 8 minus square bracket 64 minus curly bracket 18 divided by, in round bracket we have 9 minus 6 minus 3. We will move from left to right. Now the answer of the next step within the round bracket is 9 minus 6 is 3 minus 3. Now after solving this we can resolve this round bracket and we have 3 minus 3 is 0. Here we have to be alert that the step in this, that 18 divided by 0, is undefined. It means the solution is not possible. When the number is divided by 0, the solution is not possible for that question. Now we can simply write that it can't be simplified further as 18 cannot be divided by 0, or simply you can say that the question is undefined. So we have to stop the steps over here and we cannot move further. Exercise 1.6 part 4. I have a question: 9 into 3 minus 28 in square bracket minus 12 divided by, in round bracket we have 10 minus 6 minus 2, then bracket close. Look at this. This is called a vinculum and we have to solve this vinculum first, even before the round bracket. Whenever we have a vinculum in the question, we have to solve them first, so it would be the first priority before brackets. Okay, how we can solve them? If we have a subtraction symbol outside the numbers on which we have a vinculum, we will just change the sign within the numbers. So the next step will be 10 minus 6 plus 2. Just we have to change the sign under the vinculum expression. So we have changed the sign. The remaining question will remain the same. Okay, there will be no change before that, only change would be there where we have the vinculum. Okay, now it has become a simple question. Now in this round bracket we have symbols of addition and subtraction, so we will move from left to right. So we will subtract 6 from 10 first, and our next step will be 4 plus 2. Now when 4 is added to 2 we have 6. Now the round bracket have been resolved and now we have a curly bracket, and within that we have 12 divided by 6 and the final answer is 2. 9 into 3 minus 28 minus 2. 28 minus 2 is 26. So 9 into 3 is 27 and here we have 26, so answer will be 1. Now part 5 of exercise 1.6. Here we have 8 into 9 minus square bracket 32 minus curly bracket 24 divided by round bracket 8 minus 4 minus 2. As you all are now familiar of the vinculum, now what we have to do, we have to change the sign under the vinculum symbol, and this minus sign will become a plus sign. So the next step is to change the sign. Now this vinculum have been removed. Now we will solve the round bracket, and here we have subtraction and addition symbol, so we will move from left to right. So 8 minus 4 is 4, then we will add 2 into that and the final answer will be 6. Now the round bracket have been removed and now within the curly brackets we have 24 divided by 6 and the answer will be 4, just like this. Now we will subtract this from 32 to solve the square bracket, and we will be having this 8 into 9 is 72 and 32 minus 4 is 28. After subtraction the final answer is 44. After solving these questions we have to keep some points in our mind, that the procedure to simplify mathematical expression is known as simplification. Next, when any expression has addition and subtraction, in the bracket, so we always move from left to right. Similarly, when we have a multiplication and division only in any bracket, we have to move from left to right. Whether we have multiplication on the left side or division from the at the left side, we have to start from left to right in the bracket. BODMAS is brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. It means when we have all four operations in any bracket, we will follow the rule of DMAS, that is, first we will solve division, then multiplication, then addition, and in the last we will subtract the numbers. This was all about exercise 1.6 part 1. The next video will be about again exercise 1.6 part 2, which includes the application of BODMAS in fractions or rational numbers. So stay tuned to my channel. Keep watching.